Tune up a car. Staying clear of repair shops is not easy, especially if you do not know when and how to tune up a car. Tuning up a car should be done every a couple of years or every 35,000 miles to 65,000 miles, which also depends on the conditions of your driving. There are many replacements and adjustments to be done to keep the car in good working order. If you are not familiar with this, read on and find out how to keep your car clear of repair shops and prevent future car pains. Ignition systems and throttle bore are present in majority of vehicles. The ignition system is the part that stirs up fuel-air mixture within the combustion chamber. There are many symptoms to know if you have ignition system failure, like the service engine light turns on, engine misfires or runs rough, and worst, the engine completely shuts down. Maintain cleanliness of your engine and fuel system to ensure that your vehicle functions well. Before you make adjustments, find out first what tune-up components are required. Clean the throttle bore and throttle plate. There are times when air filters cannot stop air contaminants from clogging the air intake system, which is why the throttle bore and throttle plate are covered with dark dirt that can cause stalling and poor mileage. It is necessary that they be tidied every adjustments. Using a cloth and rubbing alcohol, wipe the throttle bore and throttle plate clean. Know which tune-up parts you need. The common tune-up parts are spark plugs, spark plug wires, fuel filter, air filter, ignition rotor, and distributor cap. Identify which ignition system is present. There are two kinds: distributor-less ignition system and coil-over spark plug. The parts you will need depend on the type of system present. Detach spark plug wires retainer clips, then clean them. Spark plug retainer clips are used to separate and control the plug wires and prevent them from getting in contact with the driver belts, exhaust manifold, and other components. Detach spark plug wires. Turn the plug wire boot to sever the airtight seal around it. Tug the spark plug wire lightly from the plug. Then remove the wire from the coil terminal. In changing both wires and spark plugs, do this one by one to avoid confusion as to which wire goes to which plug. Take out the plug wires from its casing. Smooth the wires down and arrange them from biggest to shortest. Reinstall. Take out the spark plug. Using a socket wrench and spark plug socket, take out spark plug. Check the spark plug for any damage. Replace the spark plug with a new one. but check the new spark plug first for any damage that it may have acquired during shipment. Damaged spark plug may cause poor mileage, poor running, turned on check engine light and low power. Then set up the recently acquired spark plug wire. Continue doing this until every spark plug and wire has been set up. Before you do anything with your car, inspect it first to determine what kind of system it has for you to buy the appropriate replacements. That way, you will be able to finish your job in no time.